Chickens don't really like snow. In fact, they probably won't come out of their coop if it snows. That's why I get a couple bales of hay and keep them in the garage and put them down for the chickens to walk on. Usually I'll put them down like a little piece like that and they'll break them up. I put seeds on top and they like it. And I do that all the way. I make a path for them all the way to their door so they can go in and out and they're happy. And hopefully the snow will melt soon. Have a good one. Bye. I'm out in the coop to see if we got any eggs today. Hi, Shirley. Let's see. Oh, we do. That's why I keep chickens. Bye. Everybody came in to see what I was doing because they're nosy little buggers. Hey, be nice.